this is Hugging, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my Minecraft videos. First we go to Minecraft, then we find something to do in here with the siren head. I got a spawn egg in my head, and let's just hope he doesn't disappear. Now we are in... Oh man, he disappeared. We're spawning him again. Please don't disappear. Now we go into survival, wait for the audio to stop. Now we're good to go. Oh my god, this is Siren Head. I have only one bullet. Oh no. Whoa. Don't punch me. Don't punch me. Oh man, he's punching me. Oh, he killed me. So that's what we do. I'm gonna show you what I do next in my editing software. Alright, now we are in our Vegas project and we just paste the new video right here. Now we don't need that, and we just need to cut it. Yeah, that's all we need. Yep, that's all we need. Now we copy the settings from this one, paste it right here so it's twisted and it fits in the Ralph Breaks Internet Screaming Girl meme, you know? Yeah, you know, you watch my channel, you know. Now I should... oh no, it's nearly perfectly fitting. Now we just need to adjust it a little bit. Now it's perfect. Now we need this part. And we don't need all these. So it happens. Now I already added some memes on the bottom and some royalty-free music. Sounds and royalty-free music. So let's see what we got, I guess, from here. Or should I render it? No, from here. You'll see from here.
There was a scene in the trailer that
That
wasn't in the movie, and that makes me sad.
You know the drill.
Aw, that's too bad. Maybe playing your game will cheer you up.
Okay. Pancake. Milkshake.
What? My name is Jeff. Oh my god!
What the dog doing?
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nope.
These nuts. Ha! Got him! Ha! Got him!
It was a little bit laggy in here, but after I render it, it won't be. I'm just gonna do that. Now while it's rendering, I'm just gonna do the thumbnail. So I got this project right here, and we got Siren Head. I cut it like you know, the outline. I added some outline. There's a girl. In the screen there's, you know, Minecraft background. To be continued, we need to adjust this arrow a little bit. And maybe to be continued too. Yep, now it looks a little bit better, but not perfect, I think. Now I'll just add some outline to this one. Yep, now it's perfect. I'll just save it to my desktop as JPEG. Name it 1, all full quality. Now we don't need this, yes, and we don't need Sony Vegas. So this is the final result. As you can see, I'll show you. You already seen this full video, but you haven't seen that it's not lagging.
Milkshake.
What? My name is Jeff. Oh my god!
Yeah, as you can see, it's not lagging now, so it's all right. It's all good. And there's a thumbnail. So catchy, yeah? You wanna click on it? I know you do. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video, how I make my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.